and people will start sending me card. Right now that feature is not there.
And the second one, who will be paying that charge, the receiver or the sender?
नहीं,
Because in your case, probably it was very easy to take your number. If I have your application in my mobile, I can directly tap on your name and I can get that details in my system. So who will be bearing that cost of 50 paisa?
Right now, you only see my name and my designation of the profile that I'm exposing. I'm not exposing my, you cannot see my mobile number and contact information. So you have to, you can push your, so it's like same as the physical world. You give your printed card, so you can send your Infinity card to me and you will charge 20 paisa or 30 paisa for it.
The sender
will get charged. Receiver will not get charged.
Your demonstration, it got confused actually.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा मैंने वो connection करना चाहिए था. Yes.
Thank you.
You made a statement that 88% of the cards go to the West Paper basket.
हाँ जी.
What is the source of that statistic?
Yeah, so there is one website called some statistics.com, statistics-some.com. So I have that source in my Excel sheet. I can send it to you. So we can depend on it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll request everybody to please, all the startups to, also President Sahab and Mr. Sinha sir. Thank you very much, Anu. I think it's a fantastic idea, and I think it's environmental friendly also. So it makes sense for me. As the president is here, I wish that we must listen to him. Yeah, please. The startup is a subject which is near to his heart, so I must take this opportunity to. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Suhasji. Good evening, friends. At the outset, I'd like to apologize. I joined you all a little late, but it is heartening to see the entire hall full, young entrepreneurs bubbling with enthusiasm and dreams in their eyes, projects in their brief. It's really, I must compliment Suhasji and his team for organizing this program. Although we have been having in Nagpur good number of programs, I think बहुत अच्छा एक माहौल बन गया है जहाँ पे स्टार्टअप्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए, एनकरेज करने के लिए बहुत सारी NGOs भी काम कर रही हैं, एंजल फंडिंग भी आ रही है. VIA में मैं आपको थोड़ा सा एक 50 साल पहले ले जाना चाहूँगा. ये एक ऐसी संस्था है जिसने पिछले करीब हाफ सेंचुरी से 50 साल से ज़्यादा इस क्षेत्र में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रमोट करने के लिए, इंडस्ट्रीज़ और इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ को प्रमोट करने के लिए सतत रूप से काम किया हुआ है. मैं भी जब एक टीनेजर था, I was hardly in my maybe early 20s, if not teenage. I happened to have joined a 8 months long program, which was organized by VIA. I remember it was war time, so 72 वगैरह की बात होगी है. And we were a bunch of about 20 entrepreneurs. कुछ US से इंजीनियरिंग करके आए थे, कोई second generation entrepreneur था. And it was an 8 months long program, and we were supposed to be attending EDP, that program, 5 days a week. And but I cannot forget the kind of contribution it made in my vision. Although I did my MBA, I did my so many other things. But वहाँ पर जो अलग-अलग एजेंसीज ने और जाके प्रमोट किया, जो एक विजन दिया, जो एक डायरेक्शन दिया, वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण था. And therefore, we in VIA, we office bearers, I have about 4 or 5 chairmen of various forums sitting here. Suresh ji is here, जो इंडस्ट्री इंस्टीट्यूट इंटरेक्शन में देखते हैं. गिरधारी मंत्री जी हैं जो नॉलेज फोरम का काम देखते हैं. सुहास जी ऑफ कोर्स एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रमोट करने के लिए उनकी कोर टीम लगी हुई है. तो ये एक इतना सेटिस्फाइंग काम है, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा. और जो माहौल शहर में बन रहा है, इस क्षेत्र में बन रहा है, पूरे देश में बन रहा है, Even our political leaders are talking about Make in India and all that. So I again repeat, it is heartening to see that that we as an organization are able to make a humble contribution to this. I must assure you on behalf of Suhas ji and his team of office bearers that this is just a humble beginning, and we can promise you good solid backup, and we have help desk here operating, wherein there will be very sincere endeavor, very sincere effort to back you up in all kinds of domains, चाहे वो finance हो, technology हो, even institutional compliances हो, वगैरह वगैरह. We know that it's very tough. सोचना और किसी वेंचर के बारे में आगे बढ़ना थोड़ा सा यूफोरिक होता है, थोड़ा बड़ा एक जोश सा आ जाता है, पर जब ग्राउंड रियलिटीज फेस करने जाते हैं तो we know it's not so rosy a picture, and that is where we would like to step in. We would like to back you up in your efforts, in your endeavors. All the good wishes to the young entrepreneurs, and Suhaji compliments once again for bringing this bunch of very enthusiastic and risk-taking entrepreneurs to this forum. Thank you.
Thank you, President sir. I would like to share with you that we are going to create a help desk for startups, which will deal with the sales, HR, and finance. So very soon, I think we'll break that. Thank you, President sir. I think I'll request President to give a mementos to startup. One memento to Mr. Gopal Sharma ji. And one to Mr. Shailesh, or they can have it on the... Sir, I must tell you that Mr. Shailesh and their startup is funded by Mittals. So I think Mittals could track them here. I think would like to have such kind of startups to grow from Nagpur, and we should be proud of them actually. Yeah. And and third would be Anurup. I must really congratulate all these startups, because I, as an entrepreneur, know that you have to live an abnormal life, and I feel that do not stop trying, failing, and fighting and experimenting until the miracle happens. I'll hand it over to our Vice President, Mr. Ashida, for summing up. Thank you.
Friends, I must, in a few words, tell you also about Mr. Suhas Bude himself. He is a first-generation entrepreneur. He is been awarded as the country's best innovative young entrepreneur year before last by organization CII, which is Confederation of Indian Industry. It is a premium body. They have recognized him as the most innovative entrepreneur of the country 2 years back. So you have a role model before you, all you young.
Thanks. In fact, I'm supposed to sum up and propose a vote of thanks. So I'll like to first profusely thank, to begin with, Suhas, because it's his initiative, and I never knew that Vidarbha has such potentiality. Honestly, Mr. Gopal, Mr. Saruthia, Jayesh, and Shailesh, I never knew that Nagpur has such a talent. I mean, it's a great opportunity for me to meet these young entrepreneurs. And the interesting part is predominantly use of technology. Perhaps we from our generation, we are not very comfortable. We are that way, I mean, I call myself a computer retarded person. So I was so happy that you are creating a technology awareness and usage of technology. And I recollect a small advertisement which comes in which they say technology is always young. So this awareness of technology and use of technology, not only by the new startups but also from our generation, should also take benefit of this technology. And the challenge of change that perhaps our generation is facing, these type of programs help VIA to address the challenge of change, because the way we are changing and the way of the use of the technology. In fact, to start with, the Infinity card gave me a very tickling effect, because I thought it is not only something very interesting but also very environment friendly. By not using the paper card, perhaps we are saving many trees and the environment. We are contributing to the environment. So to that extent, my compliments to you, Anuroop, for starting this venture, and we wish that you should succeed and you should grow up. What was great learning is from both Shailesh. Jayesh did not speak, but I could make out that Shailesh and Jayesh are a wonderful team, and they have made the digital presence, and they are wanting to have their presence felt in Vidarbha also. My appeal to you is not only to go to Indore and Pune, but also to concentrate on Vidarbha, so that the net worth of Vidarbha also increases with our networking also. There is a great learning from you in terms of the word pivot. This pivot word is something which is my takeaway today. I don't know whether you were attentive in listening what he talked of by pivot, but that pivot word is very interesting. And one word which he used was very interesting. That was the obscene discount which these guys offer. And therefore, I think that online marketplace and these type for tier 2 and tier 3 cities, if you are doing it, it's a great service which you are doing to the society in general and Vidarbha in particular. And of course, Gopal Sharma ji, I do not know how to compliment you, because you talked of something which I never heard in economy of attention. I mean, this is something again a great learning for me. Economy of attention and capitalizing on that economy of attention. So I'm sure that whether it is Goodyara or whether it is Get Now or whether it is Infinity Cards, in times to come we will be very proud, and I'm really thankful to all of you for presenting such wonderful happening which you are doing. The interesting part is you never talked of any roadblocks that you faced. And I was expecting the audience questions, that what type of roadblocks, what type of struggles, what type of, how you could keep yourself self-motivated to continue to do this in spite of all the challenges and all the roadblocks which you must have faced. So perhaps it was a showcase, and in a showcasing perhaps, we don't talk of the sufferings, we talk of the glory, and therefore you have talked. So thanks again to all of you, and friends, thanks to all of you for coming and joining us. We hope at least you will get some inspiration from these youngsters, and some of you who are only thinking thinking of starting up or being an entrepreneur will take some clues from all of them and try to be an entrepreneur, so that one of our mission of VIA will be achieved, that in terms of promoting entrepreneurship in Vidarbha. So friends, thank you very much. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to the press, and please join us for a cup of tea. Thank you.